just checked into the Best Western Hotel Ilulissat. Now, as we've walked in, we've seen a large bed, but we were a little bit nervous because it seems to be only one bed. But little do we know, we have now pulled out these bunk beds from the wall. So these were pressed up against the wall, conveniently pushed in, and we've just laid them down. Soft closing hinges, which is lovely. We've got one chair here. We've got a TV, a table and chair with a safe, a luggage holder. In here, we have the bathroom. It is a very small bathroom. We've got a toilet, a shower cubicle and a basin. In here, we've got 4 drinking glasses, 2 towels, a mirror and some hand soap and body lotion. Let's have a look at our view, shall we? Wow. How stunning is this? I've just got to get the curtains open. Oh, that's a wall. Hang on. Look at that. Look how gorgeous it is. Wow. And do you want to know the crazy thing? They don't have an alarm clock. It is about 12:30 in the morning. There you go, 12:18. Welcome to Ilulissat.